Welcome to another Slate Bytes video. In this video, we will be showing you one of our new features, Quick Actions. When looking to connect with a constituent, you might be used to going to the dashboard for their email or phone number. Now with Quick Actions, whenever you pull up a person or record, there will be quick actions that remain accessible from the top of the record. There are now contact icons to the right of the record's name, so you can click to email or to send a text message or to call them, depending on what contact information you have available. There is also a new drop-down menu at the top right, which provides options to quickly copy their Slate ID, change access permissions, or change your default tab preferences. Both of these can still be accessed regardless of what tab you are on. So you will see if I go to the Giving tab, I can still click to send an email, a text message. Those icons are available, and as well as the drop-down menu on the right. Same thing if we continue to go to other tabs, you will see that those icons remain available, and all of those quick actions are available regardless of what tab you go to. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.